Imagine if just 10 minutes each day could unlock the door to unlimited financial abundance. Sounds impossible, right? But Earl Nightingale, one of the greatest thinkers on wealth and success, proved it's not only possible, it's surprisingly simple. And in just a moment, you'll learn exactly how his powerful daily ritual can change your financial life forever. But first, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why so many people struggle financially, while a few seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth? The answer might shock you. It's not luck, talent, or even hard work. According to Earl Nightingale, it's all about one simple habit practiced consistently every day. If you've ever dreamed of transforming your financial reality, this might be the most important video you ever watch. See, most people overlook the incredible power of small, consistent actions. They chase quick fixes or complicated strategies and inevitably get overwhelmed. But Earl Nightingale discovered something radically different. True wealth is built by dedicating just 10 focused minutes a day to a ritual anyone can adopt. And here's the real kicker. This habit doesn't involve complicated budgeting or exhausting side hustles. It taps into something far more powerful, the way you think. Now let me break this down clearly, step by step. Earl Nightingale taught that your financial reality reflects the ideas and beliefs you hold deeply in your mind. If your beliefs around money are limited, your bank account will be too. But how do you change deeply held beliefs? Here's where it gets really interesting. Nightingale recommended spending just 10 minutes every morning in deliberate, focused reflection. During these 10 minutes, you visualize exactly what financial freedom looks like for you. Imagine the life you truly desire, the home, the lifestyle, the security. Make it vivid, real, and detailed. Now you might be wondering, does visualization really work? Can simply thinking about wealth truly bring it into your life? This is exactly the skepticism Nightingale faced. But here's the twist. Countless successful people have used this exact method to transform their lives dramatically. And there's a secret behind why it works so well, a secret I'll reveal in just a moment. But first, let's address another crucial part of Nightingale's ritual that most people ignore. Alongside visualization, Nightingale insisted you must clearly define your financial goals. And not vague dreams like, I want to be rich, but precise, detailed targets. Exactly how much money do you want to earn? By when? What will you do to get there? When you combine powerful visualization with crystal clear goals, something remarkable happens. Your subconscious mind gets to work immediately, guiding your daily actions, choices, and habits toward the results you desire. But here's a question many people have. If this ritual is so effective, why isn't everyone rich? The truth might sting a bit. Most people simply never start. They dismiss the power of daily habits or fail to commit fully, jumping from one quick fix to another without consistency. Here's where Nightingale's method is uniquely powerful. It demands only 10 minutes a day. Anyone, no matter how busy, can dedicate 10 minutes, but consistency is key. You must commit every single day without fail. Now imagine yourself a year from today. You've practiced this ritual consistently, visualizing your financial goals and staying laser-focused on exactly what you want. Think how different your life could look. Debt-free, financially secure, and finally living life on your own terms. Isn't that future worth just 10 focused minutes each morning? But wait, there's still one critical detail to Earl Nightingale's daily ritual, a detail so important that if missed, the entire method loses its power. I'll explain this vital element clearly in just a second. But before I do, ask yourself, what would your life look like if money was no longer an obstacle? How much peace and freedom would you finally have? Now here's the final crucial piece of Nightingale's powerful 10-minute ritual. The crucial final element of Earl Nightingale's powerful daily ritual is repetition combined with emotional intensity. Visualization and goal setting are powerful, but they become unstoppable when you inject real emotion and passion into your daily practice. See, your subconscious mind responds powerfully to emotion. When you vividly imagine your financial goals with excitement, passion, and gratitude, as if you've already achieved them, you send a clear signal that this is your reality. Your mind begins to accept this vision as true, aligning your daily habits, decisions, and opportunities toward making that vision a reality. But maybe you're thinking, how exactly do I build emotional intensity? Earl Nightingale explained it simply. Each morning, spend the final minutes of your 10-minute ritual genuinely feeling grateful, as if you've already reached your goal. Feel the joy, relief, and pride you'd experience knowing that your financial freedom has become reality. And here's why this works so effectively. Gratitude creates a magnetic effect. It sets your mind into a state of abundance, not scarcity. It tells your subconscious that you're ready, deserving, and completely aligned with wealth. Imagine what would happen if you truly felt deep gratitude every day for the financial freedom you're working toward. How much quicker could you achieve your goals? But let's talk about something important. What stops most people from consistently practicing this simple 10-minute habit? Earl Nightingale revealed that the main obstacle is disbelief. People struggle to accept that changing their mindset can truly change their financial reality. They hesitate, procrastinate, or give up too soon, never experiencing the incredible results of consistent practice. The solution? Prove it to yourself. Commit to Earl Nightingale's method fully for 30 days. Give yourself undeniable evidence that it works. Track your progress and notice how quickly opportunities, ideas, and solutions start appearing in your life. Think about this carefully. If investing just 10 focused minutes each morning could shift your financial reality forever, wouldn't you at least want to try it? What's the risk compared to the enormous potential reward? Now, to help you fully grasp this powerful habit, let me quickly recap Earl Nightingale's proven formula. First, set crystal clear, precise financial goals. Second, visualize your success vividly and emotionally each morning. Finally, consistently feel gratitude for achieving your goals as though they've already happened. Do this daily without fail, and watch as your entire financial landscape transforms. Remember, financial freedom isn't reserved for the lucky few. It's available to anyone willing to practice simple habits consistently. Earl Nightingale didn't teach complicated theories. He revealed practical wisdom that creates lasting wealth. Imagine the possibilities ahead. A life where you're no longer stressed by money, a life where abundance feels natural, a life shaped entirely by your choices and dreams. But one final question remains. Will you commit to just 10 minutes a day, starting today, to forever change your financial future? The choice is yours because, as Earl Nightingale himself famously said, we become what we think about. My name is Walt, and I believe your financial freedom is not only possible, it's within reach. Start today, commit fully, and let's turn your dreams into reality together.